Your Truly Free wooden furniture polish cleans and shines your wooden furniture without any dangerous chemicals that can cause damage over time. We ditched all the nasty chemicals like ammonia, phosphates, and chlorine that give furniture polish such a bad name and replaced them with highly effective plant-based ingredients that can make your wood shiny. Our natural formula quickly erases fingerprints, dust, dirt, and oils from wooden furniture for a squeaky and shiny finish. Filling the bottle is easy. Add warm water to the fill line, pour in 1 wooden furniture polish refill, top off with water, shake, and you're ready to clean and shine your furniture like a pro. To use, shake well before each use. Spray and wipe on cabinets, wood furniture, faux and leather couches and furniture, car seats, bar stools, desks, and so much more. It's not recommended for wood floors as the conditioning ingredient can create a slippery surface. And don't forget to add more refill packages to your next box so you'll never run out at trulyfreehome.com today.